Should we buy Starbucks stocks right now? Ticker symbol SBUX saw its stock price go up by 24.5% in one single day. Why is that so? SBUX, with a market cap of $108 billion, revenue of $36 billion, has a net income of $4 billion this year. Earnings per share is 3.54 and the P ratio is 24 times. Pretty good for a growth company. It has a gross margin of 27.54%. Now, their reports for quarter 3 was extremely good because their earnings per share met the expectation of $0.93 and their rewards program is growing 7% year on year. However, in my opinion, if it's only growing 7%, it is not really growing as fast as before. That's why they are always continuing to expand through various means and to other geographical locations, example China. So all looks positive, especially the real boost comes from the fact that they have appointed a new chairman and CEO, Brian Niccol, who was previously from Chipotle. Chipotle has grown tremendously, and this particular insert of a new CEO and chairman from a growth company gave the investors a lot of confidence, and that's why the share price has grown up by 24.5% in one single day. Now, a few things to consider. Chipotle hasn't really expanded a lot overseas, while Starbucks, their main focus is to grow by expanding overseas, especially into China. So they have a few things that is headwind for them. Number one, legal challenges for their labor force. So there are still a lot of unhappiness in their labor force, and this may cause a problem for Starbucks to expand. Second thing, the difficulty in expanding to China is a real thing as they are facing other competitors like Luckin Coffee and many other Starbucks lookalike. And the cost of production for Starbucks has also increased. Even though the PPI has shown that the cost of production is going to slow down in terms of increasing, the real cost of operating the business, it's still increasing. Now take a look at their technical analysis. You can see that Starbucks right now, it is still a downtrend initially until they have a shot up in price of 24% in one single day after the announcement of the new chairman and CEO. So this is now above 200 MA, but it may not be the best time to enter until they show a confirmation that continuously go uptrend. In terms of their valuation, so for Starbucks, I use a growth rate of about 12% because I don't think they can grow as fast as before. As we can see, Starbucks is already pretty much populated the whole entire world and even in Asia. So not too sure whether they can grow more than 12% per year for the next 10 years. That's why I'm keeping it at a conservative rate. So at a discount rate of only 10%, Starbucks right now, because they have a negative tangible book value, we are deducting this value from their fair value. Their fair value is at $71.28. The share price right now is $95.90, making it highly overvalued. So in my opinion, even though Starbucks may have a chance to increase their business expansion and their presence, I think right now it is overvalued and we should not chase this particular stock.